So now we are receiving the first visuals of this health ministry meeting, which is underway. There are many officials in that, not just health ministry, but also drug regulators. State drug regulators are also over there. This is the picture that you see from inside the meeting, where the health ministry officials are being briefed about this killer cough syrup and its impact. Who are the people who've been affected? And with us continues to be India Today's Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, how important is this meeting? Because finally, the problem that was existing in multiple states, a note has been taken by the Union Ministry as well.
Well, absolutely. The Union Ministry has taken a cognizance on the deaths that have been triggered due to cold rift. We are seeing a crackdown because already Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh have banned cold rift. We are also seeing the CDSO writing to Tamil Nadu drug controllers to ensure that, there is strict action taken against the manufacturer concerned. But clearly what we're right now witnessing, this meeting per se, it's important because to monitor the quality of drugs and how and when and what are the kind of cough syrups that needs to be issued, because composition comes into the factor. All these things are right now the key highlights of that meeting. Those visuals that we see on our screen where the Union Health Secretary is addressing all the state health secretaries and the drug controllers, because they need to tighten their grounds in ensuring that there's no slip, because clearly what we're seeing right now, with days to come, more and more deaths are being reported because of contamination in the cold rift cough syrup. That's the reason we see the health ministry, the central body, take cognizance of the matter, and this is why the crucial meeting is under its way.